Oh yeah. Maria, Cleo, and I have been camping this weekend. We have been so rushed to get everything done. We didn't film last night or earlier today, but that's okay. We're back at this gorgeous campsite we found on Hipcamp, and we are about to cook dinner, so I thought I'd take you along for that. Just show you a little bit of this gorgeous property. It's up in North Georgia, as most of my adventures are. The property owner of this Hipcamp built this house. He got this property in an estate sale. Wonderful place. The whole property is gorgeous. Give you the quick camp tour. Got the tent, got the fire pit, got my wife, got the, what is that? We got the canopy, got our little kitchen, and Cleo. We're car camping here, but since it's such a far walk from the truck, the property owner actually brings your stuff down in a tractor. So, wonderful place. All right. Oh, shoot, falling. All right. So tonight, we're gonna be cooking on the fire. I haven't done a ton of campfire cooking in all my years in the outdoors, but I'm eager to learn more. I got a brand new cast iron skillet, so I'm excited to try that out. But first we gotta get the fire going. We got a little under an hour of daylight left, so as long as this is going, we have a nice bed of coals, we should be good to go. So let's get the fire going. There it goes. I don't know if you can hear it, by the way, but you can just hear the the water hissing out of the wet wood. Left over a paper towel tube. Just go ahead and burn that up. That's a fire. Yeah. It's on your finger there.
Never have a dull knife.
True.
Ta-da!
That fire has been giving me a lot of trouble. All the wood is wet. It has already been harvested. It kind of got soaked with some rains. So I'm coming over here to get some dry.
Come here.
Finally got a cooking fire, I think. I'll update you on how this goes. No idea. So, like I said, I'm not super experienced at campfire cooking, but we are trying to do the potatoes in this skillet. It's kind of a low fire at the moment. We're just gonna try to keep it fed and let this cook. And then as soon as this is done, I'm building the fire back because it's getting a little chilly. The rest of the food we're gonna cook on the Blackstone here. So, yeah, it's a learning process, you know? So we'll see how it goes. I'll show you guys what's in here. Oh yeah, that's the potatoes. Yeah, those are cooking. Cooking pretty nice, actually. So we'll see how that goes. On the menu tonight, we have we're gonna saute some onions and bell peppers, and of course we have the potatoes, thank you, roasting in that. And then we have some steaks, thank you. Sorry, brain's a little frazzled. All right, now the steaks. I heard someone say once that camping is just an excuse to eat good food outside in cool locations. And where's the lie?
Except for when you cut your finger on a dull knife. And let that be a lesson to everybody, because we've been saying for how many years, man, these knives are too dull, they're dangerous.
Yeah.
And then I get a gnarly cut.
Oh, that looks really good. Yeah.
This one for sure still needs
more time. Yeah.
Not this one.
That one needs more time too. This one's getting closer. Oh yeah.
Bring the cast iron over here, and I'm gonna put these peppers and onions in it with that.
Good.
Yep.
I'm gonna let the potatoes continue to cook there for a second. Let's get this fire going. So Maria's just finished with everything. I got the fire. Look, I got the fire going again. Ooh. Yes, sir.
Honestly, we could probably save some of this and just reheat it up for breakfast. Let's eat.
All right, Cleo. We have a special thing for you too. We gave Cleo a little piece of steak. Look in your bowl. I know, we made her a little one just for her. Oh my goodness. How's that?
I hope she doesn't choke.
I know. Do I need to cut that up?
Do we need to?
Yeah, hey. Oh, nope. Okay, never mind, she got it.
All right. Well, now that she's eaten, let's us eat.
Yeah. This has been a journey trying to cook this. It always is when you start cooking late. So either way, I'm stoked to try this. We got our grilled veggies, not grilled, sauteed veggies with fire, or what am I trying to say? We cooked the potatoes over the fire. That's what I'm trying to say. And then we got our steaks. Which you want to try first?
Let's do the veggies and potatoes first.
Trying the veggies and potatoes. All right. Mm-hmm. Man. Those potatoes.
Really good. They're cooked perfectly.
Mm-hmm. So we put salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika on the potatoes. Honestly, I think it tastes better over the fire. Something about it, you know. All right, ready to try this steak?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't know that our little knives are going to cut it.
I'm just going to bite it off. Okay. Here we go.
I overcooked this one a little bit, but that's okay.
What did you do? It's
Yeah.
okay.
That one's perfectly cooked that you have right there.
It's hard to judge temperature cooking in the dark. So either way, we're going to work on our campfire cooking, our camping cooking in general, and try to show some more videos of that. So thank you guys so much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different. I'm just trying out different stuff this year, trying to document our camping trip. So either way, thank you guys for watching. Check out our other videos if you like content like this. We'll see you next time.